Just like you will come through and chill, just like you will come through and chill.
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, August the 23rd, and I am currently getting ready to move into my dorm for my sophomore year of college. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and all that fun stuff. So yeah, today is move-in day. I am really just going crazy in my head right now because there's just so much stuff to pack and put into cars. I know my mom's helping me, my dad and my two aunts, they're currently on their way to help me move and just, you know, settle into my dorm and everything. But it is currently, I think, like 11:55 and they're supposed to be here at 12, so we're just waiting for them to arrive and all that fun stuff. So this morning I had a pretty bad anxiety attack because everything started hitting me at once, literally the whole moving in process and, you know, packing up everything and just doing things so quick. It's just a lot going on and I had to like calm myself down, had to breathe, and it's just my mind is racing. So hopefully me vlogging and you guys have an experience with me, it makes it easier. So that's what I'm hoping. Let's go inside. It's pretty crazy out there. But yeah, I look like a hot mess because I wrapped my hair last night and like these hairs are like going all over the place. So I'm sorry if I look like a hobo, like a crazy person, I don't know. Here are all the bags. Here's everything we are packing. And it's so much stuff, and I feel like this is less stuff than it was last year, because last year, my freshman year, was like I had so much stuff, but this year we are way more organized with everything, and it's still a lot to me. So it's just a lot. Oh my gosh, I have a pimple. I'm gonna start putting some things in my car. I'm not sure what I want to put in my car yet. I just put 2 bags in there, so I'm trying to figure out what I should put in there. What goes first? Probably the groceries. I don't know. I'm like, I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out. I don't know what to put in the car first. Also, here are some more stuff. My pants. We're not going to put them in the bins. We're just going to leave them hanging and then just like lay them down. And here's the chest. I think I have more bedding stuff in here. I'm not sure. But I'm probably going to put some pants on the back seat. Kind of make it easier, I guess. Also have like my equipment for filming. So this is some stuff I need to take downstairs. It's a lot too, and it's a light, so I have to be extra careful. The progress, oh my gosh, the door's so up. Here's the progress that we've made. Put some groceries in here and some school supplies, my pants. Now I'm about to put my laptop in here as well. I really don't even know what I'm doing. Laptop, and yeah.
Okay. Y'all out of the way.
Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, babe. Saying, babe. Love it.
Now where you gonna sit your makeup, baby?
All my makeup's right there. So we are done moving out, moving in. My roommate's not done yet, but this is what we have so far.
Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just like you will.
So this is how my dorm looks now. We finished putting my dorm together less than 2 hours. It was actually very quicker than it was last year, my freshman year. I'm going to start with the decorations on the desk. So I got this framed heart during college week at my school. Since I'm purple side PV, my purple pal actually got me this and she made it. The next thing is this really cute light. I actually need to get batteries for it because it's not turning on, but I got that from Hobby Lobby. I got this cow from Purple Side College Night as well, and my hydro flask, my thermos. If you guys don't understand that, then like you've been under a rock, but I got this from Target. The Hi, I'm New Here. This is from my freshman year. If you guys have not seen that vlog, go watch it. The Love is from Bed Bath & Beyond. It was so cute. It matched the theme, so I had to get it. My planner is also from Target. And this is my ring light I got from Amazon. It is from the company Newer. I also brought back some old gems from my old dorm. You guys remember the chest has all the snacks in it. I also brought back the laundry basket and the mat that says I woke up like this because I be waking up the same. So I got a new comforter this year, and the whole comforter and the sheets and the pillowcase is all from Target. And also I got the pillow from last year, the one that sheds a lot. I still don't know why I have it, but it just really fits the whole theme. I got this poster from Hobby Lobby, and it says study, sleep, repeat, because that's what I do all day. Originally, this is a bulletin board, and I didn't like how it was just plain and black, so I put a pink poster paper over. I got from Hobby Lobby as well, and I put these really cute crystal lights that I had from my dorm last year, and I just decorated as much as I could. I also got this really cute pink cover from Bed Bath & Beyond, and y'all, it is Calvin Klein. Calvin Klein. It was $19.99. So if you're looking for a really cute pink cover, and they also have different colors as well. So this is where I put my shoes. I put them under my bed, the shoes I wear the most. And in these drawers, I have my PJs and other important things as well. In the closet, I put my makeup and my clothes. And yeah, that is my room tour. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos coming soon. I love you guys so much, and see you in my next video.